Nearly 2 decades after independence, a dream was realized to transform India's energy and industrial landscape. In the year 1965, Engineers India Limited came into being, a beacon of hope in the heart of an evolving nation. EIL's journey began with the establishment of the Central Design Organization in Baroda, where a dedicated team laid the foundation of engineering excellence that would resonate for decades. The Madras Refinery project in 1965 and the petrochemical landmark in Baroda in 1967 cemented EIL's reputation for handling pioneering engineering endeavors in record time. EIL ventured into onshore and offshore oil and gas projects in 1971 with the implementation of the monumental Bombay High North and South platforms in 1980. Since then, EIL has been extending its services to reputed clients for projects like the Maharashtra Gas Cracker Complex in Nagothane, Panipat Refinery, Kandla Bhatinda and Hazira Vijaypur Jagdishpur pipelines, and more. Expanding rapidly, EIL evolved into an engineering powerhouse with service offerings in the fertilizer, non-ferrous metallurgy, power, space and defense sectors. As India progressed, so did EIL. Marquee projects such as the Jewel of the Desert, Rajasthan Refinery Project, India's first PDH plant in Usar, Guru Gobind Singh Refinery, and the Ramagundam Fertilizer Project continue to uphold EIL's stature as the nation's most trusted consultant. EIL has been transforming India's infrastructure landscape through pioneering high-impact projects, including LEED and Griha certified institutional campuses, state-of-the-art data centers, and innovative sustainable urban development initiatives. Landmark strategic fuel storage reserves in Visakhapatnam, Mangalore and Padur have contributed to the energy security of the country. Over the years, EIL has emerged as a global player with prestigious assignments for international energy majors. Projects like the Dangote Oil Refinery in Nigeria, world's largest single-train refinery, Skikda Refinery in Algeria, Mongolia's first refinery, Guyana's Gas-to-Energy GTE project. The landmark India-Bangladesh Friendship Pipeline reflects its capabilities of executing mega projects globally. EIL has strengthened its global engineering hub in Abu Dhabi, catering to its clients in the MENA region. EIL's geographical reach now spans 3 continents, including Asia, Africa, and Latin America. EIL has emerged as a global leader in the sustainability, decarbonization, and green energy domain. EIL is leading India's clean energy transition and spearheading the implementation of the country's largest biorefinery in Assam. EIL is also offering SAF technology towards decarbonization of the aviation sector. Leveraging its vast experience in the energy sector, EIL is implementing several green hydrogen projects across the country. Reinforcing its strong R&D capabilities, EIL has indigenized over 60% of refining technologies including DHDT, gas sweetening, ATF hydrotreating, sulfur recovery, tail gas treating units, etc. In its journey of 6 decades, EIL has uniquely positioned itself as a global engineering consultancy, offering concept to commissioning services with world-class quality and HSE standards. 60 years of innovation, 60 years of resilience, 60 years of driving engineering excellence globally. EIL embraces its legacy for a brighter tomorrow with its renewed vision to be a global leader offering total energy solutions for a sustainable future.